How to transfer files from computer to flash drive. Now, as you can see, I have this flash drive here with me. So this is where I'm going to be transferring the files that I wanted to use. I want to have the file on my flash drive so that each time I'm not with my laptop computer, I can easily have access to it wherever I am. How can I get it done? Let's see how it works in this video. Now, I'm going to insert my flash drive into my laptop. Once it has been inserted, now let me share my screen with you so that you can see how you can have access to the flash drive and transfer your files from laptop to flash drive. To locate where your flash drive is, come to this file explorer, click on the file explorer on your Windows laptop or your desktop computer, whichever one you are using. Then you are going to come to this area. As you can see, you have your C drive, which is where your hard drive, or if you are using SSD, where it is being located, and you have all other partitions. If you decide to partition your hard drive, then you are going to see it under this place. As well as if you have your flash drive inserted, this is where you are going to see it. This is my flash drive. This is how I name it. So your own name might be different, or the name of your flash drive might be different, depending on the company that manufacture the flash drive. But I've decided to rename my flash drive. This is it here. I have it here. So now I'm going to open it. As you can see now, it is telling us that this folder is empty. That shows that there is nothing on this flash drive. Now, I wanted to copy some of my videos to this flash drive so that I can have it back up. Even if anything happens, I can be safe, and I'll be rest assured that nothing will happen to my previous videos. How can I get it done? Now, let's see how it works. I'm going to click on videos. I have some of my videos here that I wanted to copy to my flash drive. Can you see? So I'm going to select all of them. If you want to select everything at once, just drag your mouse, click and drag your mouse on it. Let me do it once again. Click and drag your mouse on it while you left click on it. As you can see, it has select all the videos that I wanted to copy to the flash drive. Then once you are done selecting everything, then right click again. Once you right click, you are going to see this icon, which means copy. This copy icon, click on the copy icon. Once you click on the copy icon, then come to your flash drive, then click on it. You are now going to paste everything. Then right click to paste. Right click and click on this paste icon, or you can also use Ctrl V to paste, as you can see. Then click on this paste and everything will be pasted into your flash drive. And once it is being pasted, you can eject it and use it anywhere you like. Even if you don't have your laptop with you, you can insert it in any other person's laptop closer to you, either your friends, and you can start using your documents or your files there. And there is one other way you can do it as well. I'm still going to show you. It is done transferring the files to my flash drive. Can you see we have all the videos here? These are all the videos that I've selected, and we have it ready in our flash drive. If you like, you can also create folder for it. How can you create a folder for your document? To create a folder, just right click your mouse and click on new. Once you click on new, click on folder. Then once you click on folder, you'll be able to rename your folder. Let me just type something like tech to rename my folder. Once I rename the folder, I can select everything. Now, like I said, you can select everything just by left click and drag your mouse on everything you wanted to select. Once you select it, then all you need to do now, instead of you to copy, then you are going to cut. You are going to see this scissors icon, which means cut, or you can also use Ctrl X. Here I'm going to cut it. Since I've created the folder for it, I'm now going to paste it on this folder. Then I'm going to click on the folder that I wanted to paste it. This paste, you can also use Ctrl V to paste. I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste. Then click on this paste. It's going to paste everything in the new folder, as you can see. So it is no more here. but it is now in the folder that I have created in my flash drive. Now to open it, you can click on this folder that we have just created, double click on it, then you are going to see it in the folder. Now there is another way you can get it done. How can you get it done? Now for instance, I have my flash drive here again. Now I want to assume that I wanted to use it afresh. You know, I've copied some files, some video inside the flash drive. Now if I wanted to do it in another way, let me use another document as an example. So here I'm going to select this one. Now like I said, if you want to copy, just left click on it and drag it. Now I'm going to paste this particular folder in this flash drive. Now without clicking on it, I'm only going to place my mouse on it. Once I place my mouse on it, can you see this is the name of the flash drive? Once I place my mouse on it, everything will be copied into the flash drive. Can you see? It will be copied. It will be copied right now. Just the way I place my mouse on it, it will be copied automatically. Once I place it on it, I'm going to leave it and it's going to be copied there. Can you see? It is being copied. So that is how it works basically. Now let's click on the flash drive to see if it is there or not. Now can you see? This is the previous one. This is the previous folder we've created, and this is the new one we've just pasted there. So you can do it in either ways, either by doing it the first way I show you. You can also do it using the second method I've shown you right now. Alright, depends on you. That's how to basically copy your document from your computer to your flash drive, or to back up your documents in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Once you are done, now you have to eject your flash drive. How can you eject your flash drive? So to eject it, which means you want to remove it, all you need to do is to come to this icon on your computer that is showing, it is now telling you show hidden icons. There are some icons that is hidden. Anytime you see such arrow, it means there is something underneath that is not showing. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your flash drive. This is your flash drive that you have inserted. Once you click on it, it's going to eject the flash drive. That means it's going to eject it from your computer. So now I'm going to click on eject. Once I click on eject, it's now asking you, do you want to eject mass storage? Then click on eject mass storage. Once I click on eject mass storage, then I'll be able to remove it from my computer.